Today, we will be discussing how to install stacking brackets on a Series 20,000 hose reel. First, unbox the stacking bracket kits and make sure all the parts are there, including the hardware. To begin installing the stacking brackets, loosely attach the upright pieces to the sides of the bottom reel frame using the top 4 holes. Once the uprights are in place, install the crossmember by connecting it to the center 2 holes on the uprights. Tighten the hardware to make sure everything is firmly in place. Now you can install the second reel on top. Make sure to use all 8 mounting points between the stacking bracket and the second reel to ensure a safe and secure installation. Now you're ready to use your Series 20,000 hose reels. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.